Rainbows, written by Sean McCollum. Focus question: how does a rainbow form? Connections, writing and art. Draw a rainbow and label each of the colors. Think of a new way to remember the order of the colors. Write a paragraph to describe it. Science. Fill a clear plastic bag with water and tape it to a window that gets a lot of sunlight. What do you notice? Share what you see with a partner. Introduction. When the sun shines after it rains, run outside. You may see a giant rainbow sweeping across the sky. Sometimes you may even spot small rainbows indoors with sunlight shines through a window. Rainbows are illusions made by light. We can see them, but we can judge them or walk around them. Outdoor rainbows seem to move away when we go toward them. Rainbows appear where light shines through something clear like water. They are beautiful tricks of light. Science, though, can explain the tricks. Where rainbows appear. Look around the next time you see a rainbow. The sun will be shining from behind you, and there will be rain in front of you. That is where you see the rainbow. Rainbows need water drops and sunshine to form. Rainbows most often appear in the morning or late afternoon. That's when the sun is in the best places to create one. You might even see a double rainbow. You may see rainbows in the midst of a waterfall too. A splashing fountain can also create a small rainbow. Rainbows can even form under a bright moon. These are called moonbows. We usually see a rainbow as a half circle. It actually forms a full circle, but from the ground we can only see the top half. Sometimes a lucky airplane pilot may see the complete circle of a rainbow from the sky. How rainbows form. Years ago, a French scientist decided to study rainbows. He used sunlight and a big globe of water to experiment. He found that to see a rainbow, a person might be looking at light from the right position. Understand how light travels helps explain rainbows. Think of running on land. Now imagine trying to run through knee-deep water. You will move that slowly through water because it is denser or thicker than air. And the same way, light moves faster through air than through water. Light bends when it moves between water and air. That's why a pencil sitting in the clear glass of water looks bent. Outdoor rainbows form when water drops meet sunlight. The light bends as it enters each drop. The light then reflects or bounces off the back of each drop, like shine off a mirror. The light bends again as it leaves the drop. Light bends and bounces in millions of water drops at once. This process makes all the colors of a rainbow. The colors of the rainbow. Sunlight is made up of many colors. We can see when water drops split the light into different colors. To see a rainbow, you have to be in the right place. Each water drop reflects colored light at a slightly different angle. We can only see red light shining from the drops at the rainbow's top. Those drops are in the right place to shine the color red back at us. In the same way, we can only see violet shining from drops at rainbow's bottom. The colors of a rainbow always appear in the same order. The name Roy BIV can help you remember the 7 main colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Conclusion: for a long time, rainbows have been featured in arts and stories from all over the world. Most people find it hard not to stop and stare when a rainbow appears. Science explains how these colorful displays happen. Water drops bend, split, and reflect light. Then we are able to see the many colors of a rainbow. Still, the beauty of a rainbow is a magical sight to see.